Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your Bitget wallet address using your PC. If you are looking to receive crypto to your Bitget account, you will need your wallet address. Let's walk through the steps, and I promise it's super easy. So let's get started. First things first, head over to bitget.com and log into your account. Enter your email or phone number and your password, and then click the blue login button. You might be prompted to complete a 2FA if you have enabled it. Just enter the verification code sent to your device. Once logged in, you will see the Bitget dashboard. On the top menu bar, look for the option that says Assets. Click on the Assets, and this will take you to the main wallet page where you can manage your cryptocurrency balances. On the Asset page, you will see a list of all your available cryptocurrencies. Let's say you want to find your Bitcoin address, find Bitcoin in the list, or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it. Once you find it, click on the deposit button next to Bitcoin. A new window will appear showing your Bitcoin wallet address. This is the address you will need to receive Bitcoin to your Bitget account. You can either copy the address manually by clicking the copy button or scan the QR code if you are using a mobile device. Make sure you double check the wallet address before sharing it. Always ensure you are using the correct wallet address for the specific cryptocurrency you are dealing with. For example, don't try to send Ethereum to a Bitcoin wallet address. If you want to find the wallet address for other cryptos like Ethereum, USDT, or others, just repeat the same process. Search for the specific crypto under the Assets page, click Deposit, and copy the wallet address shown for the particular coin. And that's it. Now you know how to easily find your Bitget wallet address to receive crypto. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Financify for more tutorials on crypto and finance. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.